Today we're going to use a Canva template to make a very summary seasonal video to showcase your book. It should work for just about any book, but it's ideal for a beach read. Okay, we go to the Canva homepage, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to this search bar here and select templates, and we're going to look for summer reels. And you get a whole selection of summary things here. Now, anything here that has a crown, you need Canva Pro to use. If you'd like to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there's a link in the description, or just scan the QR code. Right, so we're going to have a look through these and we're going to pick one. I like this one. So we're going to pick this one. You can select it and you can watch the video. This tells you that it's by Faye Design. So if you like their designs, you can follow them. Let's do that. Let's give them a follow and let's customize this template. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. If you would like to talk to other authors about using Canva, come join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. Thank you very much to everyone who's bought me a cup of tea to say thank you. I'm really grateful, and it helps me to keep doing this. Alrighty, so what you've got here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of animation, and they're all kind of summary. At the moment, they just say enjoy the summer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one, click on the video, which is 4 seconds long. It's part of a much longer video, so let's make it slightly longer, make it 5 seconds long. Okay. And then we're going to go to this, and we're going to change the text to so that it becomes something to do with your books. Okay, so I have added some stuff that's to do with my book. And for this last page, okay, delete that. If you want, you can put your website in there. And then I'm going to get an image of my book from my uploads. And I'll go to edit. This isn't the complete cover. There should be a strap line up there. But let's just use it for now. And let's do that. See what that looks like. Whoa, that's quite intense. That's not what it was supposed to look like. Glow, that's better. Okay. And now what we're going to do here, animate. Succession on enter. Okay. Just need to get rid of these bits at the bottom here. Okay. There we go. If at some point I might add stuff that's in the book, like pining and the seaside and seagulls. Anyway, right, let's look at the preview. I quite like that. Now all I have to do is hit share, download, and post it to Instagram, TikTok, wherever else you could post this format of thing. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the summer.